Looking to make home projects easier? Here are 10 smart tools that save time, protect your space, and keep things running smoothly. Let's jump right in. Number 1. Fishboy Upgraded Collapsible Stool. When you think of portable seating, most options are either flimsy or too bulky to carry around. The Fishboy Collapsible Stool strikes a balance by combining strength with convenience. Built with a patented fish scale clasp design, its body is made from 120 interlocking segments that lock securely in place, giving it impressive stability. Despite weighing only about 2.5 pounds, it can support up to 400 pounds, making it reliable for both adults and kids. The stool adjusts from just a couple of inches high to nearly 18 inches, so you can use it as a quick perch or a full seat depending on the situation. It folds down to a compact size, small enough to slip into luggage or hang from your shoulder with the included strap. Whether you're camping, fishing, gardening, or simply need extra seating indoors, this stool opens in seconds and stays steady thanks to its non-slip base. Number 2. Tub Shroom Ultra Bathtub Drain Protector. Clogged drains are one of those small household headaches that can quickly turn into bigger problems. The Tub Shroom Ultra offers a clever solution by sitting inside the drain rather than covering it. This design allows water to flow freely while hair, whether from people or pets, wraps neatly around the stainless steel core. Cleanup is simple. Just pull it out, wipe it off, and place it back in. No chemicals, no messy tools, and no more standing water. The kit comes with multiple adapters, so it fits a wide range of drain sizes, from smaller 1.25-inch openings to larger 2-inch drains. By catching hair before it causes blockages, the Tub Shroom helps you avoid costly plumber visits and reduces reliance on harsh cleaners that can damage pipes and harm the environment. It's a small change that keeps your bathroom running smoothly and saves you time, money, and frustration. Number 3. Ansible Chair Leg Floor Protectors, Square. Hardwood and tile floors can take a beating from everyday furniture use, especially chairs that scrape back and forth. These silicone chair leg protectors are designed to slip snugly over square legs, fitting sizes between 27 to 40 millimeters. Once in place, the felt bottoms allow chairs to glide smoothly across hard surfaces without leaving scratches or scuffs. Unlike adhesive pads that often peel off, the felt is fused directly into the silicone, so it stays secure even with constant movement. The protectors also help reduce that harsh scraping sound that can make a simple chair pull feel unbearable. They're flexible enough to stretch over different square leg shapes, making them useful for dining chairs, terrace seating, or even restaurant furniture. Each pack includes 24 pieces, enough to cover multiple chairs and keep your floors looking polished. It's a small upgrade that adds comfort, protects your investment, and keeps your space quieter.
Number 4. Dowel-Life Cut-Resistant Gloves. Working with sharp tools in the kitchen or workshop can be risky, and that's where cut-resistant gloves make a real difference. These gloves are crafted from high-performance HDPE material, giving them a cut resistance rating at the highest EN388 level. In simple terms, they're about 10 times stronger than standard gloves, offering reliable protection against slips with knives, mandolins, or even woodworking tools. Despite their strength, they remain flexible and lightweight, so you don't lose dexterity while handling delicate tasks like shucking oysters or slicing vegetables. The blend of elastic nylon ensures a snug fit that won't slide around, making them comfortable for extended use. Cleaning is straightforward. Just toss them in the wash like a dish towel. Each glove even has a small hanging loop at the wrist, making it easy to dry or store. They're a practical safety layer for anyone who values both efficiency and peace of mind. Number 5. Orico Travel Power. Strip travel often means juggling multiple devices with limited outlets, and that's where a compact power strip comes in handy. The Orico Travel Strip is smaller than a smartphone, yet it packs 4 AC outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port, enough to charge up to 7 devices at once. Its short, wrapped extension cord keeps things tidy, and the flat plug design makes it easy to slide behind furniture or fit into tight spaces without blocking other sockets. Approved for cruise ships thanks to its surge-free design, it's equally useful in hotels, train compartments, or even at your desk when space is limited. Instead of carrying bulky adapters or fighting over outlets, this strip keeps everything organized and powered. Lightweight and portable, it's a simple tool that helps you stay connected and clutter-free wherever you go, whether for business trips, vacations, or everyday use at home. Number 6. Esvelo. Under-cabinet lighting with charging station. Good lighting can completely change how a space feels and functions. And these wireless under-cabinet lights are designed with flexibility in mind. Each unit offers 3 modes: motion-activated at night, motion-activated all day, or always on for longer tasks. That means you can have a soft glow when sneaking into the kitchen late at night, or bright clarity when chopping vegetables. With 3 color temperatures, warm, natural, and cool, you can tailor the light to the activity, whether it's cozy dining or precise cleaning. The rechargeable battery lasts weeks in auto mode, and the included USB-C dock charges all 3 lights at once while doubling as a charging station for small devices. Installation is simple. Peel, stick, or snap onto metal surfaces with built-in magnets. A remote lets you adjust brightness, set timers, and save your preferred settings. From kitchens to closets, these lights make dark corners instantly more usable.
Number 7. Gorilla All-Purpose Wood Filler Kit. Wood furniture and surfaces often show their age through cracks, gouges, or small holes, but this repair kit makes restoring them straightforward. The filler itself spreads smoothly, allowing you to patch imperfections without leaving clumps or uneven spots. Once dry, it can be sanded, stained, or painted to blend seamlessly with the surrounding wood, giving a professional finish even on DIY projects. Unlike some fillers that shrink or crack over time, this formula is designed to stay durable and water-resistant, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. The kit includes everything you need: an 8-ounce tub of filler, a sturdy putty knife for application, and a sanding block to refine the surface. Whether you're fixing a scratched table, repairing trim, or filling gaps in cabinetry, this set provides a simple way to extend the life of your wood pieces and keep them looking polished. Number 8. X-Fasten transparent window weather sealing tape drafts around windows and doors can make a home uncomfortable and drive up energy costs. This transparent sealing tape provides a simple way to block air leaks without complicated installation. Made from durable, weather-resistant materials, it stands up to extreme temperatures, moisture, and even UV exposure, so it won't peel or weaken after a season. The pressure-sensitive adhesive creates an airtight and watertight seal, keeping out cold air in winter and hot air in summer. Unlike some tapes that leave sticky residue, this one removes cleanly, making it safe for wood frames and other surfaces. Its anti-curling backing helps even beginners apply it smoothly, so you get professional-looking results without special tools. At 30 yards long, there's plenty to cover multiple windows or doors, giving your home a cleaner, draft-free environment. It's a practical fix for dust, smog, or temperature control that lasts well beyond a single season. Number 9. Zenith 10 inches self-prying bar demolition and salvage projects often call for a tool that's strong, but not oversized, and that's where the Zenith 10 inches self-prying bar shines. Compact and lightweight, it's designed to fit into tight spaces where larger wrecking bars can't reach. Its closed center wedge creates a unique self-prying action, reducing the effort needed to lift or separate materials. That makes it especially useful for precision salvage, removing trim, molding, or even countertops without damaging valuable pieces you want to reuse. The bar doubles as a multi-tool, handling the jobs of a flat pry bar, claw, or trim puller, while also featuring 2 integrated nail pullers for quick removal. Comfort matters too, and the EDPM handle provides a secure grip with shock absorption to ease strain during longer tasks. Whether you're remodeling, repairing, or carefully dismantling, this pry bar offers control, versatility, and efficiency in a size that's easy to carry and maneuver. Number 10. KCLASO Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. Keeping floors clean can be a daily challenge, especially with pets or busy households. The KCLASO cordless vacuum is built to handle both quick touch-ups and deeper cleaning sessions. Powered by a 550-watt motor, it delivers strong suction across hardwood, tile, and short pile carpets while operating quietly under 75 decibels. 3 adjustable modes let you switch between light dusting and heavy debris removal, and the touchscreen display keeps you informed about battery life and alerts. A 6-layer filtration system with a HEPA filter captures fine particles, making it a good option for reducing allergens. The design is lightweight and ergonomic, with a swivel head that maneuvers easily under furniture, plus LED lights to reveal hidden dirt. Its self-standing frame means you can pause mid-clean without leaning it against a wall, and detachable parts simplify maintenance. With up to 50 minutes of runtime, it's a versatile tool for whole home cleaning.